Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm actually on today an abandoned boat, a little bit of a solo mission. I've driven past this boat for many years and it's the first time I thought, you know what, I'm going to stop and take a look, see what's about. As you can probably see, it's absolutely annihilated. Which is really annoying because the last few videos I've seen on this, like, it really wasn't that bad, but yeah. People being people. It is really windy up here as well, so it feels a little bit sketchy, but we'll see what cool little bits we can get, and yeah, let's go. I can't tell you how bad the wind is up here. It honestly feels so sketchy. I know it's all pretty solid, but apologies for the wind. Let's go take a look about. So I think that's the engine room and everything down there. Really sadly, I think you can probably see that most of the kids have annihilated this place. Still pretty cool to have a little look around there. So windy. Definitely some odd little bits around. So much stuff down there. As how random is that car seat? We'll go take a look down there in a minute. I'm pretty sure just over there are those stairs that go around, which would obviously be for one or the other. It'd be cool to get up and have a little look up there. God, look at the state of some of this floor. Yeah, I don't like the look of that. Bit of tiptoeing, I reckon. I can't imagine how long this boat must have been sat here looking at some of the old rust holes on it. But yeah, like looking down there, some really odd stuff. It looks like someone was breaking a car at some point. You got some seats over there and looks like a dash down there. But yeah, some kids have obviously been having some fun because this definitely looks a little different from when I seen it. I am a little bit nervous about walking on too much of this floor. Like, look at the state of it. This is obviously the front of the ship. Pretty big ship, to be fair. That one's seen better days, I can tell you. God, it's pretty destroyed in there now. It was obviously originally like quite a big cargo ship because there is quite a bit of room down there. Just trying to figure out how you actually get down there would be nice. So guys, this is probably going to be a really short video. Unfortunately, the other door to get down the bottom is locked to get down there. Other than that, there's not a massive amount to see. Most of the floor's all completely rotted out. The wind is savage and it makes it feel like the boat feel like it's rocking. It's obviously not, but it's just an illusion. Even if I was to get down there, I mean, there's not a huge amount down there. Most of the stuff has been absolutely destroyed. But yeah, it was a cool little visit either way. I'll send the drone up on the way out, see if I can get some cool clips of that. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Till the next time.